Welcome to my next video. In this video, we will be talking about investing in real estate. But first, what I say in this video is based upon my education, my life experiences, and my set of values. What I say is for typical people in typical situations. It is not for all people in all situations. If it was, this video would be hours or even days long. My goal and hope is that by the end of this video, you will know more about investing in real estate so that you can make better decisions for your life. If you've watched my How to Be a Better Investor series of videos, you know that allocating your investments among asset categories is the big thing that determines how much money you make from investing. Real estate can be one of those asset categories, but you do not have to invest in the asset category of real estate. Stock, bonds, cash, that's absolutely fine. If you do decide to invest in the asset category of real estate, when you invest in real estate, like when you invest in stocks, over the long haul you get high investment returns. That's good. But also like stocks, over the long haul you have high investment risks. That's not so good. If you do decide to invest in real estate, you can invest two different ways. You can directly invest in real estate by buying a piece of real estate property that you can actually touch. Or you can indirectly invest in real estate by buying a security, like a real estate investment trust, or REIT, R-E-I-T. The REIT, in turn, owns the real estate. Let's first talk about investing in real estate directly. Please note that I am not talking about you buying a home. Your home is sort of this odd hybrid thing that combines personal and maybe some investment. I have a whole other complete video on buying a home you may want to check out if that's what you're interested in. Okay, back to directly investing in real estate property. A lot of people like this idea. If you want to, you can actually go and see and even touch your investment. Compared to other asset categories, with real estate it's pretty easy for you to buy your investment with debt. But just because you can buy your investment with lots of debt, that doesn't mean you should buy your investment with lots of debt. Historically, real estate goes up and down in big cycles. If you have too much debt at the wrong time, when the price of real estate goes down and the income you get from real estate goes down, you may end up losing all of your real estate because you don't have enough cash to make the debt payments. Always remember, it's not how much money you make during the good times that is important in investing in real estate. What's important is whether or not you still have some cash and your real estate when the bad times end. Only if you survive the bad times will you get to enjoy the next set of good times. When you directly own real estate, you normally don't make much money, if any, from the rents after you pay your operating expenses. You make most of your money on the property going up in value. Now, if you buy one or two pieces of real estate, are you really diversified with your real estate investments? Nah, you're not. Whatever happens with those one or two pieces of property is way more important to your investment risk and investment return than what is happening with the broad diversified investment asset category of real estate. Directly owning real estate is very different than most other kinds of investments. If you want to buy or sell a stock and the stock market is open, that takes you seconds. What about if you want to buy or sell directly owned real estate? That can take you months or even years. It can also be very expensive to buy and sell real estate. Depending on what kind of property we're talking about and where you live, the cost to first buy, then sell real estate can be up to 10% of the price of the real estate. Let's compare that to the cost to first buy and then sell the same amount of stock. The stock transaction costs are tiny. So, compared to most other investments, directly owned real estate is hard and expensive to buy and sell. This is why flipping real estate, that is rapidly buying, fixing up, and selling real estate, is so hard to do in reality, as opposed to reality shows. Now, one thing you should know before you decide to go out and buy some real estate and become a landlord. It's a huge hassle. Your stock or bond investment is not going to call you up in the middle of the night, tell you about the water gushing from the toilet, and ask what are you going to be doing about that. Now, you can always pay a property manager to deal with much of the hassles of directly owned real estate. But that means you have to come up with more cash to pay the property manager. So, what if you decide you want to invest in real estate, but you don't really want to directly own real estate? Well, you can indirectly invest in real estate. You do this by buying a REIT, which is sort of kind of like a mutual fund that owns real property, or you can buy a mutual fund or an ETF that owns several REITs. So how does indirectly owning real estate compare to directly owning real estate? First, you are instantly diversified. You own small slices of many different pieces of real estate. That's good. Also, there's no hassle factor like there is when you directly own real estate. That's also good. It's easy for you to quickly and cheaply buy and sell indirect investments like REITs, mutual funds, and ETFs. Another good thing. What's bad? There are no actual pieces of real estate for you to say you own and go and see and touch. What's the same? There are big price swings in real estate, up and down. This is true whether you directly own real estate or whether you indirectly own real estate. Which one's better for you? That's for you to decide. It's up to you to decide, first of all, do you even want to own real estate as an investment? And if you decide you do want to own real estate as an investment, how you want to own it, directly or indirectly. In this video, we learn more about investing in real estate. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out my other videos and playlists. Until the next video, always remember that you are the best person in the world to decide what is important in your life. Thank you for watching. Please click the button to subscribe. I hope that you got something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment. Please check out my channel, playlists, and other videos. Have a great day.